Hi guys, it's time for another episode. So today, this video is mainly for fun. I have no bias on iPhone or Android phones. It's just because I own this, that's why I do the comparison of the earphones. Okay, as you can tell from the video title itself, this is a video comparison for clone. This is the clone and this is the real one. Maybe you couldn't tell it from the camera because from the front it looks exactly the same, but at the back I can tell that whether it's the clone or fake because it has a Apple logo while the fake one doesn't have. So let's get started. Okay, let's first see at the box. On the left you have the real one, which on the case it has a Apple logo, while the clone has no Apple logo on the back. And open up the case. Inside the case basically it's just the earphone itself, nothing else, as expected. In this comparison, I'm using my own earphone which I already used for 2 years, so it might look a little bit dirty or yellowish on the cable, but that's how you can distinguish the real and the clone in this video. Taking out the earphone from the case, everything is still looks the same until this point. Looking closely at the real earphone, this is the real one. As you can see, the metal grill inside the earphone is black. Notice all the details here, and we will compare it with the clone in a short time. This is the remote and mic on the earphone. Notice the dirt on the cable, that's indicating this is the real one. If you can notice, the grill is blue color. Yeah, that means this is the clone. Even the small details on the real one, it is completely copied, but we don't know whether if it's real in the inside. And this is the remote and mic. It looks exactly the same on its own. You couldn't tell whether it is real or not, but when we put it side by side, you can tell. First of all, the metal grill, the color is different. Other than that, the shape, the texture, the finishing are all the same, unless this bottom part of the earphone there's a different color metal grill inside. Even from the top it looks exactly the same. Going down from the earphone, beside same length on top, we still notice actually the clone has a slightly longer cable. Even the little details such as, notice this little thing, it is attached to the earphone which has no remote, and on the real one it is exactly the same, where the thing is attached on the part where no remote. Even the 3.5mm headphone jack is the same, but on the strain relief part, the real one has a bigger size. And I don't know if you can tell from the video, but the feeling of pressing both cables are not quite the same. The real one is a bit more rubbery, while the clone is a little bit more not rubbery. When we move up to the earphone, we're close to the earpiece, it is hard not to notice that the cable here is in a very bad quality. Look at that, it completely folds, and in a long-term usage it might definitely damage the cable. So move on to the sound test. First we use the clone. As you can see, the blue metal grill, and I wish you can hear what I am hearing right now. The sound of the clone is totally empty, I would say. No bass, no treble. It is even worse than the earpiece in a phone. And then the real Airpods, both of them are similar design, so I don't have any issue when I wear it in my ears. It feels the same, but the sound is the main thing which distinguish both of them. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I try to play the sound coming out from each earpods and record it with this mic.
Gotta get dip. Gotta get dip. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. 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 Gotta get 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 that. 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 Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that.
If you can notice from the sound, the real one actually has more bass compared to the fake one. One more thing to take note, the difference between the real and the clone earpods. If you see when you wear it on your ears, it is too light and the cables are wrinkled and not straight. But if you wear the real one, it is completely pulled down and straight, as you can see in the pictures side by side. I'm not an audiophile or anything, but an average person like me could tell the difference between the fake and the real product. Okay, so after trying these two, I would say go for originals. So again guys, this is a video just for fun. I didn't mean to discriminate any companies that make clones, but this is the reality. This is the true difference between both of these. Remember to subscribe to my channel so whenever I got a new video uploaded, you will be notified. Comment down there if you want to see any more of this video in the future, a comparison between the real and fake. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.